Did you know? Penguins are champions of endurance. Adelie penguins cover 13,000 kilometers in one winter season. But they're not just marathon walkers, they're also skilled swimmers. They can reach speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour underwater. And, while they may look uniformed, each species is unique in their own right and quite adorable. Penguins' diet is also fascinating. Primarily seafood lovers, they feast on fish, squid, and krill. Some even dive deep for their dinner. But the fun isn't all under the Antarctic sun. Penguins have a social side too, with complex mating rituals and parenting roles. So, join us in celebrating these amazing creatures. Penguins, the tuxedo-wearing, deep-diving, long-distance traveling stars of the Southern Hemisphere. Like and subscribe for more.